Boom chat, we back. Hurricane Melissa couldn't stop us. You know what I'm saying? We back in that team, man. So today we'll watch Hurricane Melissa's funniest TikToks. Now before everybody come, Hurricane. Now, listen, I'm a Jamaican. I have experienced Hurricane Melissa. I literally was in Jamaica. I was in St. Louis, nigga. So it's like if me can crack the jokes and laugh about things, then nobody can do it. So listen, everybody, everybody do them relief get help. Obviously, disclaimer to all of these things, but you know, we as Jamaicans have to take every little thing make jokes. So like listen, we just react to the funniest TikToks made by, you know, Jamaicans in our game list. So like I'm saying, like subscribe. Let's get into this shit, man. Oh, camera blur, but cool. So this was why push it through the yo, my dog get off him bicycle. Hey, no, can't stop a bicycle, man. Then what? Go
I'm a push it
through, my
water, you
dog.
know.
Yeah. Hey, what dog a pushing that water for real, chat. We were pushing that water for real, chat. No, sir, bro. Jamaican man, them terrible, dog. Let's see what I got for the next one, chat. Next one, chat. Yo, what if I move? Shake is still not, but now move, chat. Kaka, how this lad? How's river? Bro, yo, Jamaicans are not real, bro. How I go back? How I go back, chat? How I go back? Bro, crazy, bro, the place flooded, bro. This thing in jeans. Bro. Yeah, bro. Bombo clot. Catch wave. Catch wave. Oh, chaka. Hey, listen, we telling her right now, bro. One thing about Jamaicans, bro. We not take nothing serious, bro. Like, we don't take nothing serious, dog. So, yeah, I'm saying, like, them thing here in real life don't matter to me, bro. Like, we don't take nothing serious, dog. I said, me there, I laugh, everybody have fun, dog. Like, so it's cool, bro. That's what I got next.
Black out your off I won't stop. Black.
Yeah, you see. But, yo, hey, bro, what, bro, the cat, the cat turned up. Hold on, go back, 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 bro, TikTok, come on, go back, dog. Come back. Bro, I want to see that, dog. I want to see that shit again, bro. Come on, go back, brother. Come on, go back, dog. Yo. Yo, fly. Hey, but it's already go back, dog.
Man, son, only let watch a bumbo clock.
Go
Black out
back.
your off I won't stop. Black.
Yo, hold on, let me see that again. Bro, where the cat come from, brother? Hold on, bro. What?
Work a man, bond dirty work, my. Man, son, only let what.
Bro, what that even, bro? Where the cat even come from? See, that's on top box that. Yo, chat, like, I do a top box compilation next, bro. Yo, look out for that, bro. I do a top box compilation next, bro. Like, bro, where the cat come from, brother? Not me, so I try one day, though. Where the cat come from, dog? What the hell? Hold on. Yeah, I see the clip here, man, my choker. Bro, watch that.
It's about a run, man.
Stop.
Come
Stop.
here.
Stop. Bro, I told about of a jet ski to bro. Where is this, bro? How old is dog? Bro, this dog here. Man, them have a jet ski in the town, bro. It's like, look at taxi. It's a chain mill. Yo, it's a chain mills up the road. Yo, this boy.
Tell our friends to come to. Yeah.
Shut a week. What niggas outside? Oh, yeah, man. Watch it. Roof gone. Yeah, man. You have axe. Rooftop gone. Yeah, man. Pop axe, man. Yeah, man. Watch that. Rooftop gone. Not axe shot. Rooftop gone. Shot gone. What? Pirates of the Caribbean head on. Yo. Man, them make all that shit, bro. Man, them a seal. And them done pirate dog, man, them a seal, bro. Hold on, man, them want me king of the pirates.
Pop. Respect. First people up.
Hey, yeah, man. That's it. Hey, yeah, man, pray for Jamaica, check. Pray for Jamaica, obviously, you know what I'm saying? Man, these niggas too unserious, bro. I cannot, bro. Bro, people rooftop out there are blue right now. This a gosh. People rooftop literally are blowing. And this is us chat. Like, shout out to Jamaica, bro. Like, too unserious chat. What chat? Bro, hold on, sketch man. Yo, bro, him good? Dog. What? Bro, it's not funny. Imagine, bro, it's not funny. Bro, Luke. Oh, we had Luke. Yo, Luke, God. Yo, Luke, God. Yeah, man, God. Luke, you're so God, bro. Yo, Luke, I make a stamp, take a cheap price, bro. Yo, Luke, God. What the fuck? Yeah, Luke, God. Just again, what the? Boy, yeah, just there, chill. Good day. You know, Jamaican spark up, you. Don't know what for real. You're that crazy. What's up? Oh, yeah, man. No more breadfruit chat. No more, yo, listen, no more sitting down. Nah, make a chat, make cry, my boy. Boy. Bro, it's like that. Bro, what is that? Bro, how the man not blow it? Bro, one them type of balance, yeah, bro. What the hell? How the man not blow it? Bro, how the man not blow it, bro? Like just, bro, like, what up, bro? Man, that have some balance. Cause me I say, yo, bro, me did the on roof, but me almost blow it. Made up on the roof and hurricane, but listen, bro, me almost blow it. So I wonder, oh, this other gonna do it. Yo, man, yeah. You have to go learn something from them, man, bro. They man have some balance you. Beat. Alright, next one. Bro, I tell them we gotta get higher and shitting on you.
My side, and you see that?
My side. Bro, what is brother?
Yo!
This shit look crazy. Look like some movie, brother.
Jamaican's reaction to Hurricane Melissa is frightening.
Willem Rasta. Okay, let's go. Yeah. What is? Hey my boy, chillin'. Hey yo, what you want? What you want? Do what you bro. Shit, yo, this one, yeah, we're gonna cut you up. Inch. Hey, boy, hey, man, this is shit, boy. Man, them really circle up and say, yo, play two country, bro. All jokes aside, though, like, yo, we remember goals, man. We remember goals, whatever, man, bro. Also, man, shit. Mancha, super. Like, oh, I'm not gonna be throwing it on the road, bro.
It's west of Montego Bay. These people are family to us, and
Bro, niggas out here praying for Jamaica and shit. They still pray for Jamaica, obviously, but like Jamaicans will always be unserious, bro. Like, go out here, just how to live your best life, bro. Go out here, just how to live your best life. Alright, I feel like Mercy. That's why I see somebody married. Like, yeah, we see the flying cat. We see the flying cat chat. Eddie, she got a cat in it. I was like, oh, what you think?
You don't have to go to the sea. The sea comes
See, come to you, bro. Man, this shit litty. Hold on, Chad. This shit litty. This shit litty. Hey, boy, man. Why the bad bitties are in the song? You know what I'm saying? Man, the bad bitties are in the song. Man, like, I'm sure the dance and that song, and shit. Yeah, more to the one there again, more to the one there, more to the. That one there again, bro. The party one, bro. Hold on. I don't know if you click the bar chat, so I have to watch through. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Hey, bro. Watch it.
Welcome to Jamaica.
Chat. Like, just straight. You know what I'm saying, chat? Like, stop playing. Just straight pressure. Straight pressure. And Jamaican is bad as it. Oh, wait, shit, did I say much? Hey, bro, Jamaican girls. Pressure. Alright, what we got here, chat? Under my race. Bro, listen, this is a primary school thing now. Yo, for a long time I done thing here, bro. Primary school, dog. Like, what's it? Hey, wait, where my audio at, chat? What the fuck? bro. Can't be saying house roof. Party hurricane. No, man, the hurricane line here. Believe. Hey. Bro. Hey, this shit lit as hell, bro. Like, yo, whoever tells us Jamaica don't lit, bro. Whoever tells us Jamaica don't lit. I tell you, bro. Jamaica lit. Hey.
Bumbuckler girl take the blood clot here out of yard, you know. Tell the girl take the blood.
Woke up to
Not
the messages.
the bimmer, not
So
the
me tell the bumbuckler girl
bimmer.
take the blood clot here out of yard, you
Not
know.
the bimmer.
Tell the girl take the blood clot here out of
Not
yard.
the bimmer. Munari. With a ball. The bimmer tag.
So me tell the bumbuckler girl.
Tag the bimmer, bro. Anyways, chat, listen, that's all for the Hurricane Monster TikToks. Hopefully, you enjoy, like, subscribe. Follow me on all social medias, shout out. If everybody want to help out with like, the Hurricane Monster stuff, obviously, we'll see if we can put some of the links down, if you like donate and stuff. Maybe try to see if I can come. No one put no scammy link and thing, but like, and I can look up the stuff. To look for some of the links in my description for actually the help and relief and stuff. So listen, big up on yourself them. But it's under my nose. I'm out.